This year has been a wake-up call for us, and if we do not work towards maintaining a balance, our cities will continue to flood, feels Bollywood actress Bhumi Pednekar. It has been raining incessantly in Mumbai and adjacent areas since Monday evening, with waterlogging being reported from several parts of the city and minor landslides in Malad and Malabar Hill. Bollywood actress Bhumi Pednekar took to social media on Friday to alert citizens about what is coming in the future if we are not careful from now. What Mumbai saw in the last 2 days was devastating amount of rain. There were some places that were badly affected. The videos and articles are so scary and heartbreaking. This year has been a wake-up call, Bhumi posted on her verified Instagram story. The concrete jungles will live in, and the rapid urbanization is not the answer. We will flood because there is no place for our water to go. It's all concrete. Most of our cities are in the same state and are affected by different climate emergencies like lack of water or too much of it, depletion of nutrition, etc. Development is important, but there has to be a balance. Small changes make a huge difference, added the actress. Actress Janhvi Kapoor starrer film Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl new song Dori Toot Gaiyan is finally out now. Janhvi took to Instagram to share the song. She wrote, "Dori Toot Gaiyan, never give up on your dreams." The emotional track is crooned by Rekha Bhardwaj and lyrics has been penned by Kausar Munir. Before Dori Toot Gaiyan song, Bharat Ki Beti song has been released from film's album. Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl is inspired by the life of Indian Air Force combat pilot Gunjan Saxena, who entered the war zone during the 1999 Kargil War. Directed by Sharan Sharma, the cast also features Pankaj Tripathi, Angad Bedi, Vineet Kumar, Manav Vij and Ayesha Raza. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande on Friday took to Instagram to share a picture of herself with the late actor's mother photo frame in her hand. Ankita captioned the post, "Believe you both are together." Shweta Singh Kirti too commented on her post, "Yes, they are. Love you baby, stay strong. We have to fight till we find justice." Ankita is happy that CBI has finally been allowed to investigate the death of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Actress Sonali Bendre Bahal stepped into the shoes of her son literally. She has decided to keep them too. "Stepped into my son's shoes, literally. I'm gonna keep these," Sonali wrote while putting up an image that shows her trying out her son's Ranveer's shoes. In the image, she is seen wearing black pants and a baggy knitwear pullover along with the shoes. Earlier, Sonali had revealed that the lockdown has given her no alternative but to become tech savvy. She said that she is happy to learn new things during the lockdown, which began in March. "It is no secret that I am technologically challenged, but this lockdown has given me no alternative but to get the hang of it. I have had to figure out how to log on to Zoom calls on my own, how to go live on Instagram, etc.," she wrote on Instagram. With city-to-city promotions unlikely owing to the ongoing pandemic, celebrities are choosing digital ways to campaign for films. Actress Janhvi Kapoor has shared her various moods while digitally promoting her upcoming film Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl. Janhvi took to Instagram and posted a collage of her flaunting 9 different funny expressions. "Many moods of digital promotions," she wrote alongside the picture. Janhvi, daughter of late actress Sridevi, has been given the scope to play the title role in the biopic Gunjan Saxena The Kargil Girl. The film is inspired by the life of Indian Air Force combat pilot Gunjan Saxena, who entered the war zone during the 1999 Kargil War. Directed by Sharan Sharma, the cast also features Pankaj Tripathi, Angad Bedi, Vineet Kumar, Manav Vij and Ayesha Raza.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.